Hello students. So today we will start our chapter number 12, that is light, shadow and reflection. So light. First, what is important? Basically, what is light? You all can see light around you. Can you see the color of the light? No, you can see white light, sunlight, it's white in color. Your tube light white in color, bulb blue, yellow in color, and different colors are there. So basically, light is an invisible form of energy. Light is a form of energy. Basically, you must be knowing, children, that mobile phones, microwave, remote control, they all are machines, right? These gadgets use electromagnetic radiation like radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, X rays, gamma rays. So, light is also an electromagnetic wave that we can detect, right? So, do you know, children, that sound waves need a medium like air to travel? Like air, as we need air, vacuum, in vacuum there is no air. Air को travel means light sound को travel करने के लिए किसकी requirement होती है? Air की. Means if there is no air in vacuum, we cannot hear any sound, right? But light do not need any medium to travel because we can see light without any medium. Light do not need required any medium to travel for, but sound, yes, it do require, because if there is no medium we cannot hear sound. That is why if we have kept a bell in a jar without any air, means in vacuum jar, if we are keeping a bell we cannot hear the sound, right? So basically light is a form of energy. Now children, what is this, why do we say that light is invisible? When light energy falls on any object, means when light falls on any object we cannot see it, हमें नहीं दिखता है, but the light bounces back from the object, so we can see that object, right? Nothing can travel faster than, means light is the fastest in the universe. The speed of light is fastest in the universe. It takes 8 minutes approx 32 seconds for light to reach on earth from sun, right? इतनी frequent इसकी speed होती है. Getting my point, right? Light travels along a straight line path with a constant speed of 3 into 10 raised to power 8. I'll show you. 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It's a speed of light. I must have mentioned here. Yes, it's a speed of light in vacuum, right? Vacuum, when there is no medium, then it travels this speed. Now next comes importance of light. What is the importance of light? Children, we all know there would not be life. We cannot imagine without light. Suppose if there is no light, can you see any object? नहीं, हमें food नहीं मिलेगा, will not get the food because sunlight, due to the sunlight only plants are performing photosynthesis, so we will not get the food. Plant won't be able to perform photosynthesis, right? Sources which emit light, their temperature not getting higher, means sorry, I was explaining something else. Plants will not perform photosynthesis. We will not get oxygen without natural light, means sunlight. Why? Because when plants are performing photosynthesis, then they are releasing oxygen and we are taking that oxygen. So if they will not perform that process, they will not release oxygen. Light is essential for the existence of light. We get natural warmth. Sunlight हमें मिलती है. Sunlight से हमें क्या मिलती है? Natural warmth मिलती है, which is important for the growth and development of life. क्यों? Vitamin E, vitamin D we are getting from the sunlight, right? Next, sources of light. What are the sources? Sources means the object by which we are getting light. So there can be four sources of light which we call cold object, hot sources of light, luminous and non-luminous object. Luminous and non-luminous everyone knows, you have read in previous classes also. Luminous which emit their own light, means the object which emit their light their own, they are called luminous object. Like your bulb, tube light, sunlight, sun, and the object which do not emit their own light, they are called non-luminous object like moon, books, chair, bed. Next comes the cold sources of light and hot sources of light. So basically the sources of light which become first hot, first they get hot, then they emit light, they are called hot sources of light. Like bulb, first it gets hot and then it provide light. Cold sources which emit light with their temperature, their body temperature, normal body temperature, they are not getting higher or colder temperature, they are normal temperature as their body temperature. So they are which sources of light? Cold sources of light. Example, LED, fireflies, some starfish also, right? These are the examples. Now, a natural phenomena. Now, one term is there, bioluminescence. What is bioluminescence, children? Some animals, some insects are there which are producing their own light by their body. ठीक है, they are called bioluminescence, means a natural phenomena in which living organisms are seen to emit light. Means the process, or we can say a natural phenomena in which any living organisms produce or emit light by their own body, they are known as bioluminescence. Examples are fireflies, glowworms, jellyfish. These are the organisms which produce light by their own, their body, right? Some objects do not emit their own light, they reflect the light of the sun falling on them, like moon. Moon की अपनी कोई light नहीं होती, it glows by the light of sun. Light travels in straight line. Light always travels in straight line, children. We cannot bend light, right? If you'll keep any object in the source of light or in the path of light, so the light will bounce back and the shadow of that object will be formed. So light always travels in a straight line, and this is called rectilinear propagation of light. This property is known as rectilinear propagation of light. In coming module, we'll read about the rectilinear propagation of light with some examples and about different types of object. Thank you.